For years scientists have understood and studied the impacts of oil spills, agricultural runoff, and urban development on freshwater ecosystems, but in a modern era, additional pollutants harm our freshwater and we are largely unaware of their impacts. These emerging pollutants are synthetic or natural chemicals that are largely unmonitored in freshwater and include pharmaceuticals, hormones, and nanoparticles. Each of these pollutants find their way into freshwater ecosystems in different ways and can have detrimental impacts on the wildlife that call our freshwater systems home. Emerging pollutants enter freshwater systems by way of patient excretion, livestock excrete applied as fertilizer, and landfill leaching. When you take medication, only some of it is digested and the rest is excreted. This waste travels through pipes to wastewater treatment plants, where the water is cleaned. But not all of the pharmaceutical products are removed and the water is pumped back into the environment containing emerging pollutants. Another route by which emerging pollutants enter freshwater systems is through livestock and other farmed animals. The current meat industry uses large quantities of antibiotics and medication to keep livestock healthy. But like in humans, not all of the medication is absorbed by their bodies and much of it is excreted as waste. This waste is then used in agriculture as fertilizer, where emerging pollutants enter freshwater as runoff from fields after large storms or light rain. Lastly, emerging pollutants can be leached from landfills. There, harmful pollutants drain away from the soil and enter groundwater and make their way to our lakes and streams. Once in the water, emerging pollutants can alter growth and development of many fish populations and other organisms. In fact, one of the most understood and dangerous effects of emerging pollutants is the feminization of male fish. These fish are exposed to high levels of estrogenic steroids, hormones often found in products like birth control, which can lead to detrimental impacts. Feminized male fish have been shown to have fewer and poorer quality sperm and have egg cells growing in their testes. The effects emerging pollutants are having in our freshwater systems are measurable and dangerous. Scientific research is ongoing, but something needs to be done. Understanding how these pollutants enter our freshwater is key in helping prevent or limit the amount of pollutant that gets there. But it is up to the public to promote legislation and restrictions on the pumping of emerging pollutants into our freshwater.